Hello and welcome to Asia Travel Slideshow. In this clip, we visit the icon of India, the world-famous Taj Mahal in the city of Agra. In the red sandstone buildings at the entrance, the special architecture and beautifully sculptured forms already stand out. A crowded first look at the amazing Taj. It's breathtaking, beautiful, unique. The Taj Mahal is the monument and tomb of Mumtaz Mahal, who died in 1631. Her husband, Shah Jahan, the ruler of the powerful Mughal Empire, had it built for her. Walk around the beautiful gardens, admire the perfection of the reflecting pool, the architecture of the old building, and the grandeur of the Taj Mahal itself. You can't miss the amazing sculptured forms of flowers made out of marble and semi-precious stones 400 years ago and still shining and sparkling today. Inside the mausoleum itself, it's quite dark, and the tomb of Mumtaz Mahal is not visible for visitors. The building, though, is quite huge and quite impressive. Of course, like almost everywhere in India, macaque monkeys also roam around the Taj Mahal. Most people leave as the sun is setting, but, and this is our tip, don't go with them. Stay until the sun is completely down. You'll notice once again completely different colors on the gorgeous Taj Mahal. Throughout the day, the building changes color all the time. And here's another tip. Go early in the morning, before sunrise, around 6 o'clock. Be the first one in, and with a little bit of luck, for a few moments or a few minutes, you'll have an empty Taj Mahal completely to yourself. A great start to the day at the stunningly beautiful Taj Mahal. We hope you have enjoyed our presentation of the Taj Mahal. Thanks for watching Asia Travel Slideshow. Please like, subscribe and share. For more presentations, please also visit our YouTube channel Thailand Travel Slideshow and our YouTube channel World Travel Slideshow. Thank you.